first thing we want to do, we want to put some oil in the pan. We're going to whisk our eggs. Here's how you check and see if your oil's ready. Yep, it's ready. I'm going to keep this on pretty hot heat. Put those eggs in there. We're going to set these eggs aside. Put a little bit more oil in the pan. We're going to put in our quarter of a white onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, just throw that in the same pot with the egg. Now for the rice. Put a little bit more oil in there. Now I've got 2 cups of rice I cooked yesterday and put it in the refrigerator. That's the best way to do it. A tablespoon of light soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. We'll go ahead and throw in our peas, about a cup. Fry this up. And we want to cook this rice to where it's not white anymore. You gotta make sure and move this pretty good because it's high heat. We don't want to burn it. We throw in our eggs, onion, and garlic. A bit more oil. And there you have it. I'm going to take some of that beef short ribs meat that I did on my last video, which was yesterday, and I'm going to mix in with this fried rice. Okay, so let's make a plate of this. That's really good. I want to appreciate y'all for stopping by. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out, y'all.